Good morning, Laundry Department. This is Pina speaking. How may I assist you today, Miss Galang?
Good morning. I would like to send some laundry for washing and freezing.
Certainly, Miss Galang. May I confirm your room number, please?
Room 608.
Thank you, Miss Galang. May I know the items you would like to send?
Yes, I have 2 pants, 2 pillowcase, 1 polo t-shirt, and 1 t-shirt.
Noted, ma'am. Our runner will be at your room shortly to collect your laundry. Kindly place the items in the laundry bag with the completed laundry list. Would you like standard service or express service?
Standard service is fine.
Understood, Miss Galang. Your laundry will be delivered back by tomorrow afternoon. Thank you for using our service. Laundry service. Laundry service. Good morning, ma'am. I'm here to collect your laundry.
Okay, come here.
Thanks, ma'am. I will just confirm your correct items.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, I will sign your signature, ma'am.
No special request, ha? Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Laundry service. Laundry service. Laundry service. Good morning, ma'am. This is your laundry service.
Okay, come here.
One polo, ma'am. One t-shirt. 2 pants and 2 t-shirt. Is
Yes,
this correct, ma'am?
Yes, that's correct. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.